Hello and welcome to Humzabaan, your go-to destination for learning Urdu. Similarly, we will have a section in our app which talks about time and place. We call it Zamano Makan. Now, time and place can cover things which are about day of the week, time, month of the year, seasons, places. So, what do we call a sadak, for example, a road, office? Again, it again follows the flashcard format, giving you very neatly the word, the imagery for that word. It gives you the Urdu text with Urdu pronunciation and ability for you to go further in dictionary and delete. So we talk about day of the week, we talk about the time, what is morning, evening, etc. We talk about seasons, month of the year, places.